Hey folks, welcome back to Busted Stud Garage. We had some trouble with our old balancing machine. It's not as accurate as it used to be. We tried calibrating and repairs and we've had enough of that. So we picked up this 680 off of eBay. You can get them on Amazon, probably a few other places. We'll let you know all about it. We're going to do an unboxing, get it calibrated, up and running, and then we'll do a full review on the machine and see how it compares to some of the more expensive machines like the Snap-on that we had. So if you like this sort of video, please subscribe and we'll show you all about this and lots of other cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. All right, we got our machine unboxed. It's on a flat level surface, concrete. It's all right. It looks like a good quality piece of equipment. It came with the weight tool and measuring caliper and a bunch of cones and you know, a few different sizes there. So first thing you're going to want to do is calibrate the machine. It won't give you a good reading without a calibration. So just turn it on, and I like to have the spring and the cone on the inside. I've seen some people do it with the cone on the outside of the wheel. I find I get better results this way. So to get the right size cone for your wheel, pop that on. It should be a steel wheel like this without a tire on it. Any size, 13 to 18 inch. So get that mounted up. Snug it up on there. Alright, that's pretty good. Now you're going to want to set the dimensions of the wheel. So it just goes right in order. A is the offset, B is the width, and D is the diameter. So we'll check the offset here. It's 9 inches. So you just go over here, it says A on the chart, and you go up or down until you hit 9, and then you just, B is the next one. So on the B up and down, we want, you measure that with your calipers. All right, we got an 8-inch rim here, so we're gonna go up to 8 inches. That's all set, and now D is the diameter of the rim. This is a 17 inch. So on the D section, go up to 17. All right, so now we're ready to run this one, but like I said, we want to do calibration first. So the instructions aren't real clear. I had to try it a few different ways until I got it. So you hold down the F button and the C button together until these flashing lights turn solid. Now it says cal, ready to calibrate, and you press start. This is where your calibration weight comes in handy. You're not going to want to lose this because it's used just for calibration. So here, because I have it in grams, it wants 3.5 ounces, the same as 100 grams. So find the spot on the wheel. We're doing the outside first and get it at 12 o'clock position there and knock the weight on it. There you go, give it a spin. Again, the instructions are not very clear. When this stops, we want to take the weight off of the outside and put it on the inside at the position that it indicates. Okay, so we're going to pop that off. These pliers are actually pretty good. They got a nice sharp point on there. Makes taking the weight on and off very easy. All right, so we line that up till the lights are solid, and at the 12 o'clock position, we're going to bang that on. And then give it another spin, and it's going to do its thing. As soon as this finishes, it's going to say Cal end, all set. It's that easy. So calibration's finished. Now we're going to let's try and balance a wheel. So we'll take this one off. I have a handy wheel right here. Little tire ready to go. Need a little bit smaller cone for this one, so let's see what we got. I think that's the one. Yeah, same one. How about that? Okay, pop that on. I always try to be a little careful not to bang the shaft. I think that maybe was what happened to the old machine. All right, get this mounted up. Nice and snug. So once again, we're going to set the parameters. So just clear, I think. Okay, there we go. So we're ready to put the parameters in. So we got about 9.5 inches. So I'm just going to go up to 9.5. And then the next thing, B, is the rim width. We'll get that there. We got 7-inch rim. So we'll go down on D to 7. Good. And then the diameter, this is a 16-inch. So we're going to go down to 16. Now it's ready to go. Some people give it a spin. That's great. Press start. And it's going to do its thing and let us know how much weight to add. Any minute now. There we go. So this is calling for 3/4 of an ounce on the outside. I could do without this beeping. I'll tell you, it's a little annoying, but I can live with it. So that's saying 0 right here. That's good. And then we want the 3/4 ounce right here at 12 o'clock on the outside. Bring that on. Oftentimes it's going to ask for a weight on both sides. I guess I got lucky on this one. So we're going to give it another spin and see where we're at. And doing its thing at the Busted Stud Garage. Getting the perfect balance. There it is, 0, 0. Beautiful. So if you know this is the first wheel I've tried, wheel and tire combo, I'm happy with this. It's easy to use. Once you get familiar with the controls, you can do all different styles of rims, different stick-on weights or whatnot. I can even do motorcycle rims, and it's here in the instructions. It's not real clear sometimes because it's kind of broken English, but you know, working through it after a couple tries, you can get it. Again, I can do without the beeping on there, but we'll just have to get used to it, or maybe I can find out from the supplier if there's a way to shut that off. So that's all for now. If you like this sort of video, please subscribe. We're going to have lots more cool stuff. And after some period of time, we're going to come back and do a review of this machine and tell you all about it, pros and cons. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.